Hi, and welcome to our E.T.M attendant seat installation video. In this video, we'll be installing the required attendant seat into an Express Custom E.T.M insert. At the time of filming, Express Custom is retailing this seat for $99 including hardware. It takes about 15 minutes to complete this installation. Before beginning, you will need to adjust and spin your seatbelt mounts to be aligned with each other, thus creating the biggest space between the mounts possible. Be sure to watch our tutorial video on upgrading our seatbelt mounts if you need any more information on adjusting these mounts. The Express Custom E.T.M seat. Hardware as follows: 4 1/4" by 1.5" stainless bolts, 4 1/4" stainless lock washers, 4 1/4" stainless washers, 1 metal punch / center punch, 1 hammer, 1 Express Custom E.T.M seat bolt pattern diagram, tape to secure the diagram down with, a 7/16 wrench, a powered drill, a Robertson number 8 drill bit, also known as a number 2, a 3/16 drill bit, a 5/16 drill bit, and a shop vacuum or rags. Step 1. Cut out your Express Custom seat bolt pattern diagram following the dotted lines. Step 2. Center the sheet on the aluminum seat plate inside your E.T.M. The diagram is conveniently the same size as the plate, just align your corners. Step 3. Tape the seat into position so it does not slide during the hole punching. Step 4. Once the diagram is secure, use your center punch and a hammer to mark all 4 holes into the plate. Step 5. Remove the diagram. You will not need it any longer for this installation. Step 6. Drill your pilot holes out with a 3/16 drill bit for best accuracy. Step 7. Expand your pilot holes using a 5/16 drill bit. Step 8. Be sure to vacuum, or at the very least wipe down the surface so that it is free from any metal bits that could compromise the vinyl or the bolts. Step 8. Unwrap your attendant seat and remove the stock bolts using the number 8 or a number 2 Robertson bit. Step 9. Place the seat down onto the plate, centering it between the 2 seatbelt anchors. Step 10. Using the Express Custom supplied hardware, thread the 2 rear bolts first. It is not recommended to start with the front 2. Put both the flat washer and the lock washer on the bottom of the bolt assembly. Using a 7/16 wrench, twist them on enough that they will not come loose, but do not wrench them fully tight yet. Step 11. Repeat this for all 4 bolt locations. Be sure to do the back 2 first. The 2 holes closest to the door are inside the return bend of the plate, which can make accessing them tricky. It may take a few times to get the bolt to thread into the seat. It just takes patience and trial and error. Step 12. Once all 4 bolts are twisted on, go back with the wrench and tighten all 4 bolts strong to secure the seat down permanently. Once you have done this, you have successfully installed your new seat into your E.T.M emergency transport vehicle insert. Thanks for watching our video, and be sure to contact us for any questions. Thank you.